Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on OGN token, that is also Origin Protocol. This token stands at 169th position out of more than 2,300 cryptocurrencies and tokens. That is really a very big success that it is standing out of more than 2,300 cryptocurrencies at 169th rank. In top 200. If we move to the coinmarketcap.com, then we can see there are two major upcoming events. One is the stacking and rewards use cases. Another one is marketplace and e-commerce applications. If we go to the Binance, then we can see more details here. This is the quarter two. That is the almost end of June launch of additional marketplace and e-commerce applications on top of Origin platform, and research and launch new stacking and reward use cases for OGN targeted in end users, merchants, and affiliates, as well as infrastructure providers and developers. And as these events are coming closer, the coin or token is surging more and more. For example, if we move back to the CoinMarketCap data, then we can see that after the second week, on 20th of June, the market cap was $6.3 million, and now it is increased by $23.4 million. So it's mean that the market cap is increased more than 270%. Now let's move to the live chart to have some technical analysis, and we'll try to understand what the price action can do next. For example, first the price action, this is the daily chart. We can see that the price action first formed this bullish shark pattern. This is the initial leg, and after initial leg, the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci. That was the first confirmation of bullish shark, and it is projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci projection. This is the projection of A to B leg. This is the second confirmation, and then finally the price action has been retraced between 0.886 to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. So here a final bullish shark has been confirmed and completely formed, and this was the potential reversal zone. The price action was moving sideways, sometimes it was moving up and down, and it formed another bullish bad pattern within the potential reversal zone of this bullish shark pattern, and took another final bullish divergence from the potential reversal zone of this bullish bad pattern, as well as from this bullish shark pattern's potential reversal zone, and produced more than 311% bullish rally. If we see the different moving averages, for example, this is the 25, 100, and 50 simple moving averages on this daily chart, then this 25 simple moving average is playing a very important role. For example, this was the first bullish divergence, the initial leg, and after then, when the price action dropped up to this 25 simple moving average, this 25 simple moving average helped the price action to form the bullish shark or harmonic pattern, and price action took a bounce from this 25 simple moving average and projected between 1.13 to 1.618 Fibonacci projection of this leg. And after that, when the price action, after this initial leg of this bullish bad pattern was dropping down, it was dropped at this 25 simple moving average again, and with the help of this 25 simple moving average, this bullish bad pattern formed the B to C leg of this bat, and after that it was moved in the potential reversal zone. Now the price action has formed another initial leg. I'm just taking this bullish divergence as an initial leg for another harmonic move like the price action formed here and here as well. And therefore I'm expecting that the 25 simple moving average will again move up to provide the support to the price action, and it will move up from here, and it will be retraced between some certain level to form another harmonic level like the butterfly bat, whatever, and after that it will be retraced back in the potential reversal zone of this bullish pattern, and therefore we can expect another bullish move when this 25 simple moving average will hit the price action here. But at this time, if we switch to the smaller time period chart, this is the 4-hour chart, after this initial leg, after taking more than 311% bullish rally. It is retraced. First, it is retraced between 0.382 to 0.50 Fibonacci. This is the first confirmation of bullish bad pattern, and after that it is projected between 0.382 to 0.886 Fibonacci projection of A to B leg. This is the second confirmation of that. Now it should retrace between 0.786 up to 0.886 Fibonacci retracement level to form and to complete the final leg of this bullish bad pattern. Therefore, we can, if we want to make another trade, then we can place our buying orders here from 28.25 cents to 25.61 cents. And this potential reversal zone should be our stop loss. If the complete candlestick will be closed below this potential reversal zone, then we can take exit from the trade. And we have the 50 to 100 and 200 simple moving averages, strong supports just within this potential reversal zone and below this potential reversal zone to provide a sufficient support to the price action. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price action to break down this support or this potential reversal zone. Now, after completing this final leg, when the price action will be entered here, then as per Fibonacci sequence of bullish bad pattern, it should be retraced or projected between this 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection area, at least in this area. Maybe it will be more move more up, but at least as per Fibonacci projection of this bullish bad pattern, it should enter in this area, that is 0.3454 cents to 43.91 cents. So this can be up to 71% profit potential trading idea, but I am not sure that the price action will be dropped from here back to the potential reversal zone or more than that. But there is also possibility that when the price action will take the bullish divergence and enter in this potential reversal zone, then it can move more up and cross this area as well. However, we can set our sell targets here, and that will be definitely more than 71% bullish rally or bullish trade or profit. And I think on the small time period 4-hour chart, the up to 71% profit is sufficient. So this was the update so far by the OGN token. If I'll have more updates, I'll definitely share with you. If you have any questions, you want to share your opinion, then you can share your opinions and questions in the comment section. And I would like to recall again that this is only for the educational purpose. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research as well before entering in any trade. If you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.